Even more exciting than silver, which is already awesome and super helpful, this next level, the gold training, takes you and those you help to an even better place. The gold level contains clear, concise, and complete information, giving you the all-important next steps to refine your knowledge regarding hypnosis. And it also prepares you to install your new thinking skill set for thinking pain away. The gold level is a prerequisite for the platinum training, of course. Gold prepares you as you learn the Prinz method to take your newfound knowledge toward a wonderful and rewarding professional career. The gold level will assist you to fully redefine your knowledge and your skill set from the silver level of thinking pain away. So, by the end of your training, you will feel very comfortable and most prepared for the next step, which is learning how to self-create a professional level of hypnotic state and lead others there as well.